Hey guys, sorry about that. I just need to check if it's nice and clear before vlogging because it likes to like kick itself out of focus. I've just been tidying up, getting dressed. My makeup today is looking fabulous. Here comes Piper. What am I doing today? My fiance's coming over and we're filming a video, believe it or not. I'm not sure what he's filming. I don't know what he wants to film, but I think it's any excuse just to use my camera because he likes my camera. So he's coming over and I think we're filming a video. I'm not sure what video we're filming, but hopefully it's a good one. The weather is just not looking great today, guys. It is looking really miserable and it's just blah. I got paid last night. My contract's being taken out soon, so I'm not going to spend anything because obviously I want my contract to be paid for, because otherwise they won't be able to pay it and I'll be screwed, and I don't want to be in huge debt and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been all well and good. I didn't really feel very well yesterday because I just felt really crappy. But today I am feeling a lot better, so that's all good. Just texted my fiance. I thought he was coming over, but obviously he's not on his way over yet, unless he's parked outside texting me. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, see? No, he's not. She's waiting for dinner, her breakfast. What's the matter, Phoebe? I had lovely cuddles again this morning, didn't I? Piper. You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. See, this camera is really good when it focuses. So what I'm going to have to do is, before I film a video, film a bit of a clip before I actually film my vlog, and then delete the other clip and do it that way, because it's good quality in filming, but sometimes you've got to sort out the thing. What are we having for tonight? We having pork chops again? Really? Again? God's sake. Oh well. But yeah, I'm gonna go and have my breakfast because I've got to clean my nose because I want to keep this bump away. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and obviously feed the cats because Piper is hungry. Bless her, she's eating a biscuit. But I'm going to go, and I will speak to you later, probably when my fiance is here. And hopefully, he'll be vlogging today. If not, I will get him in my vlog, because I know you guys like to see him. Because, yeah, he got another subscriber yesterday, so I hope that's down to me. Please keep supporting his channel, because he's starting anew, and I really appreciate it if you go and help him out, because he's a new YouTuber, and we all start somewhere, guys. We all start at #1, so if you could go support his channel, that would be fantastic, and it means so much to me. I want to do his makeup, but he won't let me, so we'll find something else to do, like a gargling challenge that Zoella did with Mark. I like that challenge, so we might do that today, but we'll probably have to do it outside because I don't want to get my floor wet. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go and have some breakfast, and I will speak to you guys a bit later when my fiance's here. Hey guys, just had my breakfast, and I had to chuck out a bottle of Coke because luckily that I had like a little bit left. There was a load of ants attached to it. There's still loads of ants. It's ridiculous. I don't know where they're all coming from. Mum said that she was going to move around the kitchen. I reckon she should do it, because find out where these ants are coming from. Look, even Piper can sense them. No, baby, there's loads of them. It's just ridiculous. Where are they coming from? Ugh. Just waiting for my fiance now. I just thought I'd come on and tell you that we still have an ant infestation. So I'm gonna text Mum and tell her, because it's just ridiculous. I don't know where they're coming from, and they're doing my nuts in. Tones? What the hell? God's sake, I can't spell today. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's just so stressful. But yeah, this is lactose-free milk, by the way, guys. I told you guys yesterday. Because obviously I drink lactose-free because I suffer with IBS and it helps my IBS not flare up as much. So yeah, I've still got to take my IBS pills and stuff, but yeah, just waiting for my fiance to come over. Like I said, I don't know what we're doing today. It's looking really, really miserable today, like I said, so we're probably not doing a lot. I've still got to feed the cats because I haven't done that yet, and I've got to tidy up this kitchen again. Got to open the curtains. I haven't done that yet because window cleaner came and I got no money to give him, so I kept the curtains closed and ignored him, pretend I wasn't in. But I went out and he was across the road. It's a good job he didn't see me, otherwise I would have been screwed. So I'm gonna go and look. See, is that one? I swear I just saw one. Anyway, I'm gonna go now and finish off eating my breakfast and cleaning my nose and my belly, and I will speak to you probably when Tom's here because I've got to tidy up. So oh, you got a cough, my son. Oh. Gorgeous boy. Gorgeous boy. I hope you enjoyed his little sing-song. Such a gorgeous bird. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go now as my battery is dying on my vlogging camera, so I might have to vlog on my iPhone today. So, bye guys. We're out for lunch. Really nice place. It's waitress. Where I'm having a baguette, BLT, and Tom's having a burger. And hopefully we can stop for a crossroad. So nice in there though, so we're on a bus. So lovely today. I almost got ran over. My jeans are good. I'm gonna go now, guys. Hi guys, we just made it peacocks, and there's a pets at home.
Yep.
Which ain't good.
Not for you, anyway.
Every time I go in there, I want to buy a bunny. Last time it was a guinea pig.
That's right, Grandad.
And there's a peacock, so I want to go in, and new look because I want to get some shorts. But I don't want to spend too much because obviously I got paid for my contract, so I got to take it easy. What do you think, Tom's new setup? I think it's rather cool. I reckon if I ever get a car, I'm going to do exactly the same.
Hello.
Doesn't look very happy, does he?
Alright.
Oh, let's go and see the bunnies.
I look really fat.
Oh, would you shut up?
Fat.
You're beautiful. Shut up.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to go now and try not to buy any bunnies. I won't, because I'm good. And speak to you later. Guys, we're in Cribs. I just bought a pair of shorts. I haven't bought anything else because I'm good. And I can't afford anything. Oh god, we're in game. What are you buying now? What are you buying now? Look at that! Noisy above our house! It won't shut up! How long's it been there? Quarter of an hour. And it's just pulling over the top of our house. And it won't shut up. Oh! It's been hovering there ages, guys. It won't leave. It's so noisy. Baby, it's not.
Can I just say this one thing? If it was coming for you, there'd be coppers knocking on the door by now. You've been out there quarter of an hour.
Do you reckon?
Could be. It might be in the next street. They could be following a car.
That is so cool, though, isn't it?
Are you vlogging it?
Yeah. I'm gonna call this helicopter. I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but I'm like,
Fucking coppers ain't doing their job.
Hey YouTube! Helicopter's just above our house. It's so loud.
I'm gonna name this vlog Loud Helicopter.
Yeah, but they...
Just it landed.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Land it!
Where's it gonna land?
I don't bloody know. It's still landing.
The cops should have been here by now, at least.
There's nothing in the street. It's already somewhere around there. Garden. I don't know if it's gardens or gardens. I want to go back to get.
I saw a hopper that burned his house. One that was between.
When he came out, he didn't even look up.
No.
You want to come and see?
You might. Yeah, but how was he staying up there for so long? There's petrol in it.
Sorry, just
Yes. That's what the renter's for.
Hey! Woo!
Like that.
Come and land here!
Get us in the garden.
Oh, he's turning.
He's not
I'll vlog back in a minute if he's still there. Hey guys, I thought I'd come on and end the vlog now as we're watching a program called iZombie. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're watching iZombie.
Explain to the guys in my vlog what iZombie is.
Alright. My fiance's already explained what iZombie is in his vlog, so I'll put his channel down below and you can go check his channel out to find out what it is, because I can't be bothered to explain it because I'm tired and I got a headache and my hay fever has just made my eyes really itchy. My fiance's currently on his phone.
What else is new?
Nothing else is new there. And I just got a text message. So I'm going to go now and I will be uploading this tonight because obviously I'll do job search, so I might as well do that while I'm on my computer. We were going to film a gaming video tonight, but I haven't got the bit for my TV. But I think I got an Xbox thing that goes on the back of the TV. I'll try and find that and we'll do it again another day. But yeah, I'm going to go now and I will speak to you in my next video.